To our zone head at the same time, Bangcolin Integrated School Head Sir Edoberto T. Aviola. To the school head of Arip Elementary School, Sir Joselito M. Maganyan. The school head of Plateau Elementary School, Ma'am Junaline D. Calo. To the school head of Campa Elementary, Sir Charlito Covera Jr. To the school head of Portlamon Pastor Oy National High School, Sir Alan C. Yegyek, and his assistant school head, Ma'am Leona M. Evangelio. Our school head, Ma'am Florisa C. Capistrano, with teacher staff. To our barangay official, headed by Barangay Captain Juan Pedro Villanos, with his councilmen. To our GPTE, headed by Mr. Renato Ramirez. To the leaders of the different sectors, proud parents, fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning!
I come before you today to provide the introductory comments for this historic occasion, the elementary graduation ceremony with a great deal of leisure and sophistication. We have gathered here today to commemorate the incredible journey of us young students who have been shaped by solid educational foundation. Serve as a reminder of both the amazing strength that each and every one of us graduates possess and the transformational power of education. The graduation ceremony theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng ating bagong Pilipinas. Modeled through a Resilience Educational Foundation. Education is a journey that frequently involves ups and downs, obstacles. These are the times when characters develop and resilience is fostered. Our alumni is very resilient in the face of a variety, challenges, and its ability capacity to adjust, get beyond, and keep going. Today, we also recognize the extraordinary work that our commitment, educators, instructors, administrators, and support staff have put into give us learner-loving, stimulating environment. With this opportunity, we sincerely thank our families and our parents who have contributed so much to our academic careers. Your continuous development, support, and encouragement have been essential to our success. You have been our biggest supporters, pillars of our support, and cheerleaders. Thank you for being here today to honor our commitment that allowed this foundation to education to exist. The adventure does not finish here. As we young graduates get ready to move on to the next stage of our study, there are countless opportunities, difficulties in the world we are entering. It is critical that you give us knowledge, abilities, and attitudes and values needed for success and ongoing development. Parents, teachers, and barangay officials are here to encourage us to be courageous and look for information outside of the classroom. As we move forward, never forget that you have the ability to control your own fate and build a better future for ourselves. I would like to congratulate the amazing graduating class of 2024 on our outstanding accomplishment on behalf of everyone present. We are proud of ourselves, as we know we will continue to do great things. Be a strong educational foundation, accepting of difficulties, striving of perfection, and having a positive influence. And the world continue to shape you. Never forget that you have the ability to control your own fate and build a better future for ourselves and everyone around us. Greetings and congratulations to our next adventure. Rats, thank you.